Welcome everyone, my name is Okon Samuel Victor. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Victor the Analyst. So today we are going to be talking about how to hide and show sliders in Power BI. All right, you've actually come to a situation whereby you have your dashboard and you want to be able to like click a button that will actually bring out your slicer, and you can click another button that will actually hide your slicer. You understand? So I'm going to show you how you can do that in this tutorial, so stick around with me. So before we go into the tutorial, I would encourage you, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe. I noticed that most people that do watch my video, 70% of them just watch and do not subscribe. So this one is not actually encouraging me to do more videos, you understand? But I love giving out my knowledge to the society, to the community. I will encourage you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the only way you can encourage me to create more impactful video like this, and you can as well like this video. All right, let's get down to the business of today. I'll see you there. Thank you very much. All right, welcome everyone. So this is what we're trying to achieve, and I'll go straight to the point. So this is my slicer pan, you understand? So if I come here and just click inside here and look for something like Ford, you understand, and hit enter. So this is going to slice, and this is going to slide and give me the filter for slide. So everything that has to do with slide forward. So I can come here and backspace and hit enter. So I want to go back to what's it called, my home page. So I click on control and click on this that icon. It takes me back to the home page. You can see that we are not seeing our slicer anymore. So I can even go back again to the slicer by clicking control and clicking on that icon. So it takes me back to my slicer page. So yeah, page. You can see how I'm navigating from one page to the another. So this is what we're trying to achieve. So I'll go to this place. So let me come here, and so the first thing I need to do is bring in those two icons, the home icon and the filter icon. So I actually got those icons from PowerPoint and the flight icon, you understand? So you can get that the flighticon.com. So let me just click on insert. So I saved it as image png. So I'll go to my add image. So from there I'll look for this filter. So I'll bring this in, then I'll click on open. Okay, now let me just adjust this, adjust this. Just click here and bring that here. Okay, good. Come back here again. So let me go and bring in the home image, home button. So click here and open. So we can just resize this, and then resize this down. Click here, then drag up here. All right, so there you go. All right, so click here and just bring this up a little bit. It's okay. So what we're going to do is that now in my home page, I just want to be seeing the filter button and the filter button and the greeting message, you understand? Why in my filter page I just want to be seeing the filter, the home page, the home button, and the slicer, the slicer, you understand? Slicer elements there, you understand? So that's what I want to do. So what I'll do next is I'll go to my view. So you check on selection. My selection is already on. Click on selection, so you have something like this. All right, so these are the two images we brought in. So the Power BI just saved it as image, so we can actually rename it to something more descriptive, you understand? So when I over my mouse on this, just select this. You understand? If I select this, it comes out here. I can just double click here, so I can change this image to a home button. Hit enter. So select the filter, then double click here and change this to filter button. Alright, so that's it. So the next one is, what I want to do next is we are going to look at this and this now. Alright, so I would we have the slicer, and okay, like I said I want to select the slicer, so I'm going to group the slicer and the, what's it called, the slicer and this thing will be in the home page. So I'll press control and click on those two elements, you understand? So we want them to be in the home page, while this and this will be in the filter page. So once we do that, we'll come here, any of the selected elements here in the selection, click on the three dots here, over your mouse on group, and you group. So we actually group them into one entity. So we can just double click on it and rename it to so select this and just let's just rename it to this is going to be home page. Just do that, home page, hit enter. All right, so I said the other one, the home button and the slicer, so they are going to be in the slicer page. So I'm going to group them. So I'll come here, just select this and come back here, double click on this, then rename this to slicer page, and I hit enter. So there you go. Now we have to this and now. So if I select this, you can see this is gone. If I open on hide this, and if I hide the home page, you see what happened. You can see now we are moving from one state to another state. All right, so the home page, the slicer page, this is as the slicer page will look like. So I'll make sure you click on your bookmark, so your bookmark will come out here. So your bookmark, I already created this already, so I'm just going to add a bookmark and rename this to home page, and rename this to home page 1 and hit enter. So I'll we'll unhide this, we'll unhide this and hide this. So we have this one here. So what I'll do is I'll select this one twice, select this one again second time, then I'll drag this one a little bit up, so it's going to be in this place. So I'll come here and click on, I've added this as a bookmark, so I'll just rename this to slicer page 2 1. So remember, this home page that I have here, actually it was already there already. So when you click on, when you create your own, it's not going to be there, you understand? So these two will not be there. So it was previously created, so you can just name it as home page and slicer page. So let's look at something. If I click on my home page, you can see this is the home page. Oh sorry, let me rename this. This is supposed to be, let's rename that. This was supposed to be slicer slicer page. Let me change this to 2. Slicer page. So if I come here, this is supposed to be my home page, so I'll change this on to home page. Hit enter. Alright, so if I click here, it goes to my slicer page. If I click here, it goes to my home page. You understand? So that is, we've already successfully created that bookmark. So the next thing we are going to do is we want to create a button. We want to activate this button, that once I click on this button, it takes me to the filter page. Once I click on the home button, it takes me to the home page as well. You understand? So that's what we're going to do next. So now I would remove this bookmark and just close this selection too as well. So I'll come here, I'll click on the filter, click on it second time, then on the action, then open the action, then change the type to bookmark. Then the bookmark, I'll change it to, this is going to be called the slicer page 2. So we are going to the slicer page 2. You understand? So once we click on this, it's taking us to the slicer page 2. You understand? So I would leave that as that. So come here and press Ctrl and click on this. So it takes you to this page. So I can come here, click on it again, click on it the second time, so I can highlight this image. You understand? Click on it twice, then on the action, then click on the drop down, come down, then change it to what's it called, home page. You understand? So automatically, once I come here and press on Ctrl and click here, it takes me to the home page. Now there's one thing that we need to fix, and let me go back to my slicer, click on slicer and do this, and so let me slide inside here and say forward and hit enter. So if I come here and press Ctrl and go to my home page, so you can see that it's actually changed. The filter was not working again, so we need to fix that in our bookmark. So I'll go down to my bookmark, drop down on this pan, just click on the drop down, so uncheck the data, then uncheck this data too as well. So let's try again. So let me go back to my and filter for forward and hit enter. Alright, so let me go back to my home page now, Control and hit this. So you can see that we are still getting the same stage. You understand? So we can just go back to the filter and then clear what we have here and hit enter. Alright, so you can see that's how you can hide and unhide your slicer. You can unhide any element. You understand? This is the same procedure. Alright, thank you very much for watching up to this point. So like I said before, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe, and please like this video to make others get to watch this video. You can share to your friends, share to your colleagues, share to other social medias, and thank you very much. I really appreciate you.